If you are a kitchen and bathroom remodeling contractor and interior designer and still struggling to grow your business using the power of social media, then this video is for you. Get started. So this is Aryan. I'm the founder and CEO of ASD Media, where we help interior designers and remodeling contractors to scale their business to the 6 and 7 figures without depending on referrals, cold calling, door-to-door knocking, and using some third-party websites like Yelp, Just Dial, these kind of. So let's talk about how you can grow your business using the power of social media, which is the most important if you are living in the world of 2021 and 2022 and beyond that. Social media is booming right now, and if you are not leveraging that, then you are leaving tons of money every single month on your table. Like, just think, there are billions and millions of people using social media on a daily basis, and today you are not reaching out to them. Today you are not grabbing their attention. So just think the amount of opportunities, the amount of business, the amount of money, and the amount of clients and jobs you are losing every single month in your business. So the first most important thing you need to take care of if you want to grow your social media and scale your business is don't focus on increasing followers. You might be saying, hey Aryan, what the fuck you are talking about? If we are not going to grow our followers, then how we are going to grow on social media and our business? Trust me, the money that social media are going to bring into your business is not directly proportionate to the amount of followers you have. I still know many pages having 10,000 followers on their Instagram and not even get a single lead entire month. But I still know people having only 1,000 followers on Instagram but still getting 10 to 15 new leads appointment estimates every single month. How they are doing that? Because they have a quality followers, not just a number that's showcasing to your people. You don't need numbers, you need the real actual people to grow your business. To really grow your business, focus on building your list. Whatever the followers you are getting on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your LinkedIn, whatever subscribes you might be getting on YouTube, whichever the platform you are using, convert your visitors, followers into your leads. And how you can do that? When it's come to the second strategy that I'm going to show you how you can use social media to grow your business. The second strategy is having a lead magnet. Whenever I visit any contractor's profile on Instagram, the one thing that I see 99% of the time which is missing is lead magnet. Yes, if you don't have a lead magnet, go and make it. Go and research about in your area. What are the major problems your customers are facing, and go and create a lead magnet on that. The best example I can give is go and create a short, quick video or an ebook if you want. Both the options are really well. Create an ebook on what are the things that your clients need to know before getting their kitchen remodeled, before getting their home remodeled, before getting their bathroom remodel, or whatever the services you are providing. What are the things they need to know? What kind of costing they're going to see if they want this kind of design. Go and create a full blueprint. How you're going to help them to make their kitchen more beautiful, make their bathroom more lucrative, make their floor, make their whole home look luxurious. How you can help them, what are the steps they need to take care of, and how they can hire a very good contractor. And at the end of that lead magnet, give them call to action where we come in, we can work with you. So whatever the followers, if you are getting monthly 100 followers on your Instagram profile and at least 20 to 30 of them are giving you their name and email address, and you are giving them the lead magnet, and if you're just converting one person on that, just think day by every month how much revenue you are adding. And this is the worst case scenario I'm talking about. At least one lead you are converting every single month. 20 people giving you their name, email address to grab the lead magnet. This is the most important. Second point is, first, don't focus on followers, focus on building actual people, leads. Second, having a lead magnet will give you more leads. As I told you, 99% of the people don't have a lead magnet on their Instagram profile, on their website. If you don't have that, you can't grow a business online using social media. The third most important thing that you need in your business to grow your business using social media is having a right strategy. Yes, if you are just going every day on your Instagram and uploading some random pics without any strategy, You are just wasting your time and money. Yeah, you need to sit one day, plan the content strategy. Now, how are you going to plan your content strategy? You have a 7 days every week. Which are those days when most of your audience are active? If let's say you have 1,000 followers, see when most of your audience are active on which day, at what time. That's the content strategy. What kind of content they would like to see? Are they ready to watch reels? Are they ready to watch 1 minute video? Are they ready to watch single post? Are they ready to watch carousel post? Whatever it is, plan your strategy according to that. So that was my third point. The fourth point is leveraging the right platform. Initially, what 99% of people do, they just go and bombard it with content across all the platforms. And that's where they lose the confidence, and that's where they lose the hope of getting more leads using the power of social media and blame Instagram. You fuck, you are not getting any leads. How are you going to get leads? You are becoming a jack of all trades. Find only one or two platforms which is the best suits you in your business. That might be Pinterest, that might be Instagram, that might be whatever it is. Choose. YouTube also works really well. People love watching interior designing videos and kitchen remodeling videos. Document your journey according to that. Fifth most important point is not leveraging the paid ads. I know you heard lots of time, do Facebook ads, do Google ads, do Instagram ads, and you also tried that as well, but you end up losing money in that. Why it's happening? Do you know? Because once again, you have not a right strategy, no framework, no blueprint, no idea how all these things work. Because in future, no matter whatever the platform today giving you the best organic reach, will not going to give you reach in next 5, 6, 10 years. And you need to ready with the paid ads to scale your business. That's the simple stuff. If you are a contractor, if you are an interior designer and not using the paid ads in 2021 and 2022, specifically two platforms, Facebook ads and Google ads, and still only relying on the content part that we are uploading 100 reels every single month, different posts every single month, but still not getting clients, still not getting jobs, still not getting leads, appointment, free estimates. The reason why you're not getting that, not leveraging the Facebook ads. It's very tough when it's come to organic part, specifically on Instagram and on Facebook. That's where you don't need to spend tons of money. Like you don't need to spend $10,000 every single month on ads. Start with small budget. Start with $10 a day, $20 a day, and then slowly and steadily scale it. Start getting some ROI from $10 a day, $20 a day, spending around $500 a month, $600 a month, then $900, $1,000 a month, and then slow and steady scale it. You don't need to spend from the first month $10,000 on ads. You don't need to do that. Start with small, scale it steady and slowly. Understand your audience, understand your customer avatar, and then scale it. I hope you find this video valuable. Thank you so much. I appreciate your valuable time that you given on this video. And a quick announcement for you. If you are an interior designer and kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling contractor and want to scale your business using our proven framework and strategies, then what you can do, you can simply book a one-on-one strategy session with our team. And if we see that we can help you, I would love to help you and show you the whole system and process. So if you are from US, UK, Canada and Australia, you can directly book a Zoom meeting with us. But if you are Indian and also want to scale your business and have a good budget to invest in, you can directly call us. Everything, the details is given in the description box. Thank you so much and see you soon with another informative video.